Hey y'all, welcome to another video. My name is DeAndre Bernardo. Thanks for watching. Today I am going to be trying the Beetles Gel X nail kit. It was a $20 nail kit from Amazon and I have never done Gel X before, so I'm really excited. I'm trying to hide my nails as best as I can right now for the reveal at the end, but I'll show you what comes in the actual kit now. So the box is really cute, colorful, looks like this. It's a 4-piece kit, so inside of it you're going to be getting a UV lamp like this one. So it's tiny, and the connector is this right here, little USB port. So I just plug it into my laptop, but you can also plug it into, like, if you have an iPhone port. Next we have the nail glue that it comes with. I'm not sure, this doesn't say that it's actually like a primer or anything, so when I did this I did use a separate base. It also comes with different nail extensions. They are all in the like long coffin shape, but you can easily cut and reshape them, so I really like it. And the nail sizes come from 1 to 2, and that's all this comes with. I thought it was 4 things, but I guess it's 3. So you get the nail glue, the lamp, and all the different nails. So it does not come with any polishes, any colors at all. So I also picked up the Beetles Brighten Your Style kit. And I also used in this video the Beetles Coffee Time collection. So I really enjoyed both of these polishes. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you guys liked the video. So let's get into it. Hey again, we're just gonna jump right into these nails. I am so excited. I started with my cuticles already trimmed and pushed back. Then I lightly buffed my natural nail to help the extension last longer. I really roughed up my natural nails with those cuticle clippers, y'all. Be careful. Tips and prayers would be greatly appreciated. Then I used rubbing alcohol as my dehydrator to wipe away any fibers or oils on my nail. Next, I apply a thin layer of the Beetles brand base gel. And then I let each nail cure under the UV lamp. I was getting so impatient with that tiny lamp because you can only cure 2 fingers at a time. So y'all will definitely need to buy a bigger lamp to save time, because I know I am. Now I'm buffing each of my extensions, putting on the nail glue, and curing each nail twice underneath the UV lamp. This part was a lot harder than expected because the glue slides everywhere, causing so many air bubbles. Ooh, tragedy strikes, folks. I accidentally cured the nail and it was literally completely crooked. I think the gooseneck UV light would be better to apply the nails with, but I was so shocked. This nail was stuck on so strong it would not come up at all. I had to cut and file it all the way down and start over. Tragic. And we're back. This is how the extensions look all applied. Honestly, the coffin pre-shape that comes with the Beetles kit is super cute, but today I wanted to go for a medium length almond moment, okay? The way I'm cutting my nails evenly is by holding my cuticles on the same row and then I'm just cutting straight across. Then I cut the corners out of the nails and I round out the shape with the file. Then I buffed the shine off of the extension, and here I should have paid a little bit more attention to blending and really like buffing at the cuticle area to blend it, because I've had this set for 3 weeks and like every nail but 2 are lifting. So tomorrow when I do my new set, I know it's going to be an adventure trying to fill all these nails. But yeah, I'm recording a really cute Valentine's nail video for the Goyles, and I know it'd be pretty cool. I don't know, pretty cool if you came back to watch it. Maybe subscribe if you like this. I don't know. Maybe, come on. Like, it's just a red button. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Press the red button. Just kidding. But if you want to see my lifestyle content 2 times a week, you might want to maybe, I don't know, maybe consider pressing that red button. Yes. Okay. Look at the nails. Now we're cooking with grease. The nails are shaped perfectly. Now let's get on to the paint. I'm using Beetles colors A41 and 802 for the base color. Now I'm going to go in with the pink 802, but it was way too pink. And I toned it down with the color A41. Then I got the hang of it and started painting and curing my nails at the same time, and it really sped the process up. Even though I don't mind, it's so nice just doing things for yourself, you know, just because we deserve it. Here are my nails freshly painted. I did put a top coat on and wipe my nails with alcohol one last time off camera. Okay, don't roast me. These are the nails pre-showered If you know, you know. But it was kind of hard to get off. So next time I'll definitely clean around the nails as I go. And here are the final pictures of how my nails ended up turning out. They're so cute. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Here's the grand reveal. I do have another design on my nails and they're like this. I think that they're so cute. They're the same base, and then all I did was add black French tips, and then I put hearts on these fingers, so it literally looks so cute. I'm almost so sad that I'm about to take them off to redo it, but this was so fun. I can definitely see myself continuing doing this. Let me know you guys' thoughts down in the comment. Like, would you try Gel X? What do you think about the full tip? Or are you like an acrylics gang, like that's all you're gonna do, dip? Or are you just natural? Like, honestly, I get it. But yeah, let me know down below. If you want to see my face during the week, please follow me on Instagram at itsDeandra_O_. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.